Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Raunix. This is Ved Verma from Raunixtech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our latest developed application Care to Home Doctor for Online. Then you can click on that banner and you will get some categories like this. You wanna consult for a doctor for physiologist, sexologist, neurologist, and lot of other options that you can add from that admin panel. These are can be added from the admin panel. Suppose you wanna go for general physician and you can consult now. Here are and doctor online available. You can click on consult now and it will redirect you to online payment page. You can pay by wallet or online payment method, Razor Pay. Order from where you can find out nearby medicine delivery or medical stores. Okay, so you suppose you wanna go for this store and you wanna place an order for particular category. Suppose you wanna go for baby care and here are some baby care subcategories are available. You can this is how rich look this application have. Okay, suppose you wanna go for baby shampoo and here is some product. You can choose any product by clicking plus button. You can remove the product from that by clicking on minus button like this, and after that you can go for the cart. At the cart page you need to apply a coupon code and you can just apply this type of coupon code by clicking simple apply button. Okay, and now you can go for place an order. Again you will get a same page that you can make a payment by wallet or Razor Pay, and it will redirect you to labs. Okay, and lot of other options you can find here. Here is your order history. You have consult with the doctor, you have clinic appointment, you have medicine delivery and lab test. Lot of other features are available. You can edit your profile by here, mobile number, email address, and username and profile. And you can also check your wallet amount from here. You can update your address from here, frequently categories, and lot of other options are here. So if you wanna start an online medicine delivery application, then this is the best application for you. So you can contact us by clicking on description box